Hi, welcome to Bobbins and Bows of Bear YouTube tutorial for cast off in rib. So a cast off in rib is something that you'd be used on probably collars. So if you've knitted a ribbed collar, they'll want you to cast off in rib, and that should keep it a little bit more stretchy. So here I've got a piece that I've ribbed one by one with Amazon Chunky on 10mm needles. So to cast off in rib, you knit one, and then you purl one, and then you bring the first stitch over the second. So then you'll knit the knit stitch, you knit the next one, and you bring it over. So you're really just casting off like you would normally. But with each stitch you're knitting it as it would be if you were carrying on with the rib. The next one's a purl. And knit. And also you cast off tends to sit on the top of your work rather than at the front if you cast off it all in one stitch. There we are. Just slip my needles away. So you finish there, bring your wool through. And don't pull at the end. Just push that down like that. You see what I'm doing. Because if you pull, it tends to, well, it pulls. So to avoid it from pulling up at the end, you just ease it close like that. So then it stretches. So the end is a little bit more stretchy than it would be if you just cast off all in knit. So I hope that was helpful. Thanks very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.